Yeah, what's up, guys?
Long time no see.
Anyways, guys, we're here today. It's opening day at Eastmont Park. This is actually where I work as an instructor and travel ball coach. So today we're gonna join the festivities, celebrate opening day, celebrate baseball. Fun fact, this is where I grew up playing. So let's do it. What's up, stud? Ready to go? Do you guys play today?
Yeah.
What time? Nice.
All the ribbons we watch were so gallant.
Staff and guests, it is both an honor and a privilege to stand in front of everyone today to represent the Altamont Fast Pitch Academy Babe Ruth Softball League as the vice president. I'm super proud of you girls.
Our instructors are honored and privileged to serve Altamont Springs Youth Baseball League. We also have 5 travel teams competing in the region. 6 Cobra teams coached by instructors and volunteers, and that is making us Central Florida's largest baseball program.
And as we come to a close, we'd like to bring back the first pitch for the Altamont
No pressure,
Baseball
kid.
Academy of the Baseball Major Division Reds team. Thank you all for coming out today. We look forward to a wonderful spring season. And now, finally, the best words. Let's play ball.
Harrison Shames. What do you say, kid?
A lot of kids.
A lot of kids.
A lot of kids.
Another day in paradise, right?
Another day.
Harrison
Another
loves
They're so cute.
opening day, baby.
The little like the little
Here they are, the MVPs, baby.
Oh, he's got his camera.
What's good? What's good? DY. What up, DY?
Throw it up. West side.
Hey, I was cheering for you hard when you got honored today.
Thank you.
Because you deserve that. Yeah. How we doing? Looking good, representing well.
Y'all haven't seen much of me, but that's because it's been too hot and I've been trying to stay out of the sun. If it was like this earlier, my lotion was melting off. I put all that lotion on for nothing.
The sun's out, or the clouds came out a little bit though. Oh, nice.
Hey.
Oh! You almost caught that.
Who do you think's gonna win?
I don't know. I just saw West strike out looking though. Have to be in the back. Nothing's gonna happen if you don't swing the bat.
Let him know, Josue. Let him know, coach.
Which is pretty good. I like the old school Astros uniforms.
Is that what they're wearing now?
Yeah, the old school Astros uniforms. Those are dope. Right.
They look like from a different country. Oh.
Your pitch, kid. Your pitch. Come on, out in front. He ain't catching that.
I'm taking a shower when we get home then. Since we're not rushed, I'm taking a shower.
Alright guys, well that was opening day at Altamont. It was a hot one, but a lot of familiar faces. Saw a lot of the not all the kids I work with, but I saw quite a few of them. It was good to see them. We're gonna go get something to eat because Alyssa's hungry slash cranky. So we're gonna get some in that.
Catch me more excited later.
Alright guys, we'll see you in a little bit.
Hello, everyone. It is many hours later, if you couldn't tell, because it's dark outside now.
Yeah.
Josue passed out for about 4 hours.
Taking that, went to Bubbaloo's. Bubbaloo's Bodacious
Yeah.
Barbecue.
We basically ate after we saw, you know, the baseball thing, and then
I think now we're gonna go check out a little Mardi Gras thing. Mardi Gras festivities.
that one's lit. LOL. So is that one. We got the party lights. I did. Ooh, Josue. A crepe in your face.
Yes, if they have. They got all kinds of packages. They got lamb burgers, French brie burger, ribeye steak sandwich and fries, veggie French brie, a poutine plate.
Yeah.
Oh, we got this. What is this? The New Zealand lamb burger. With some goat cheese. I got it.
He tastes the goat cheese, which I'm not a fan of, but it tastes good. You also taste the lamb. French fries are really good too. You're messy too.
I'm messy. It's a burger. In my hands. Fries could use a little salt and pepper.
What's that?
Just showing them the fries.
Yeah.
You got the little crispy ones I love. Alright.
That one.
Brownie sundae, pina colada. What are the coconut flakes? Do they have Oreo flakes? Nice.
Can I have a small swirl ice cream cone, please?
Can I get a small sundae with hot fudge and Oreos? Ooh, Alyssa, what you got there?
A small swirl ice cream cone. This is a small, believe it or not.
That looks delicious. Try it out.
I don't want to.
Try it out.
I don't want to lick it on camera.
Try it out. It's ice cream. Hurry up before she gives.
A little icy. My mom would call it icy.
There's mine. Let me see that.
It's not like creamy McDonald's ice cream.
Oh, that's a shame because that's kind of what I wanted. Some Oreo on there.
Yours might be. paper.
Look at this spoon.
That's funny.
And you serve ice cream. Looks like they put a bunch. Oh, we'll see.
Better or worse than McDonald's? Jose likes McDonald's hot fudge sundae, so rate it. I would say McDonald's ice cream cone is better than this one.
Yeah, McDonald's.
McDonald's is better.
Yeah.
Should have went to McDonald's. But I do like that this is in a waffle cone.
How about a round of applause for the Junkaroos, everybody? Yeah, man. Let's go back to Lafayette for all our people here from Lafayette. All right, wait a minute. Let's do it like this, y'all. This is the Lafayette Boogie.
Alright guys, so that was the Mardigras Fest here in Castleberry. That was fun.
It was fun.
Tried a new goat burger. I don't know if I have any of that on my face still, because it was a messy burger.
It was good though.
Ice cream was that. And the live music, man, they had some good energy. Good musicians too. They knew what they were doing with that.
Yeah.
What is that called?
What?
That thing that guy was
the
accordion. Yeah, it was pretty nasty with it. The boogie boys, Louisiana Boogie Boys or something like that. I think that's what they're called. They're dope. But
yeah, it was a whole party there. They made it very, as authentic as it can get, being in Florida and not Louisiana.
Exactly.
More universal.
So yeah, man. Well, I think that's gonna be it for tonight.
Yeah. We're gonna cut it.
And then Alyssa, I think tomorrow you should come out so we can get some baseball footage.
I can do that.
That'd be up early though.
Like 9.
Oh, well then hopefully we'll see you tomorrow. Right?
But we'll also
Regardless.
see how tonight goes.
Alright. We'll see. Peace.